Life is a full circle. What goes around comes back around. 2020 has indeed been a very unpredictable year. Who would think that a change so sudden would happen so fast? Anyways, let's get straight into the topic of this video. Yes, I am in a new flying club, and as you might have made out by now, my new flying club is Chimes Aviation Academy. Hold on. That is not even the most interesting part of this entire story. If you want to know what all happened and how I ended up here, stay tuned with me till the end of this video. Hello everybody, welcome aboard my channel and on to a new video. Finally, it feels great to be back. But if you are new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel by hitting that red subscribe button there, or you can subscribe from here as well. And don't forget hitting the bell icon so that you're notified for another video from me, because now that I'm back, I'm planning to be consistent on my YouTube channel once again. So, first and foremost, let me address the elephant in the room. This is going to be my new setup. This is the VIP lounge in my new flying club, and they were very kind to allow me to shoot here. So, no fancy lighting, no Captain Sky at the back. This is going to be the newer recording setup where I'll record most of my videos from now onwards. Alright, so let's get right into the video. So my journey to Chimes Aviation Academy began back in September 2020 when I decided to quit my then flying club and move out. Now you might be thinking, ki, why did I have to take such a decision? Why did I end my, quit my previous flying club? Well, my then flying club, Saraswati Aviation Academy, was very good. My flying personally was very good, fast, and I got to learn a lot. But post the lockdown, things in that flying club turned up in a way where they stopped operating. The flying operations stopped completely, and it was in no way possible for me personally to get hung up and waste my time, because time is very crucial in aviation. A day wasted is a day gone, and that day will never come back. So I had to decide to move out. Suddenly moving out of my flying club under extremely unforeseen circumstances was difficult, not only mentally but also emotionally. As some of you might be knowing, I was actually in my hometown in Kolkata that time, but I had to fly all the way back to Sultanpur to pack everything up and leave the flying club.
और हम लोग पहुंच गए एयरपोर्ट और मेरा दूसरा मास्क भी निकल चुका है. ये जो चोंच सा चीज़ है फेस पे, ये N95 है. एंड आई डोंट नो इफ़ यू गाइस कैन हियर मी, बट मेरे पास कुछ सेटअप नहीं. आई एम जस्ट रिकॉर्डिंग फ्रॉम माई फोन. वेल, वी आर मच बिफोर टाइम. अभी इट्स करेंटली 9:41. मेरा डिपार्चर है 12:35 का.
But it is just not the place, it is the people, it is the memories associated with a place, an institution, that makes leaving that place so difficult.
और ये यादव जी अभी लॉग बुक मेरा ज़ेरॉक्स कर रहे हैं. यादव जी, हम आपको बहुत मिस करेंगे जाके.
Okay.
भैया ने पूरे ट्रेनिंग में मेरे इतना हेल्प किया है मुझे. सारा मतलब जो भी डॉक्यूमेंटेशन का काम है सब भैया करते हैं, और मतलब बहुत ही मेरे प्यारे भैया है बहुत. थैंक यू भैया, थैंक यू सो मच.
ओके आकाश भैया,
बस अभी क्या ही बोले, अब ऐसा मोड़ आ चुका है ज़िंदगी में, जाना पड़ रहा है.
क्या किया जाए. Also, I flew a very large part of my flying hours in the aircraft VT-TSM, Victor Tango Tango Sierra Mike, and bidding it goodbye was a emotional turmoil. I have done so many hours in this baby, I'm gonna miss this aircraft. One of the best aircrafts I have flown. It's the conventional cockpit. What an air. I have not flown the AFA, but like all my hours in this flying club was done in this. But like they say, the show must go on. So I got done with all my documentation work, big goodbye to my chief flying instructor, and one chapter for me was over while another had just begun. 2020 has really been a very unpredictable year. For some it's bad, for some it's good. Just one night I was scrolling through my mailbox and I got to know that Chimes Aviation Academy is open for admissions. And I just randomly applied, being sure that I will not be selected because I already had a lot of flying hours and I thought that they will only take ab initio students. But it's the year 2020 and as luck would have it, I got selected to appear for Chimes Aviation Academy entrance exam. The entrance exam is based on 10 plus 2 syllabus which I had almost completely forgotten. So I quickly brushed up my entire 10 plus 2 syllabus knowledge and appeared for their exam and I cleared it. Now it was time for the most crucial and the final round of induction process, the personal interview. Okay, so my interview is going to start in like 4 minutes. It is 11:26 right now. 11:30 the panel will start and like I'm really nervous and I don't know what to do. My face is turning red, I'm so nervous. It's my first interview and that's also the reason why I'm so nervous. I'm sitting in front of this laptop. That's the light over there I've put so that they can see me. I don't know, I'm speaking too much. I hope for the best. By the time you're seeing this video, I'm hoping that whatever I'm giving this interview for has been successful, and yeah, fingers crossed. Guys, interview just got over, and it was easier than I thought it would be. But yeah, I mean, it really went well. I'm excited for the results. I've not gotten to know, but one of the panelists said that I should be ready for a successful outcome of this interview. So I'm excited. And guess what? I cleared the personal interview and it was decided that this is going to be my new flying club. So yes, today is the 11th of November and here I am talking to you all from Chimes Aviation Academy. Now, I started this video by stating that what goes around comes back around. And for me, coming here was a full circle of life. A lot of you actually don't know, but I visited this flying club. I visited Chimes Aviation Academy back in 2017 when I was just a school kid and had very little knowledge of aviation. I came here, visited their hangar, clicked pictures with the aircrafts, and who would know that 3 years later I'll be sitting here studying and flying their aircrafts. Indeed, it was a complete circle for me. Anyways, so that was my story. I know that this video was much awaited, but I am so sorry I was not getting time because I was very busy with the documentation work of the new flying club. But now I promise, now that I've got a setup, I know where to shoot, I've got permissions, I will be as regular as possible on my YouTube channel. On that note, that was about it from my side in this particular video. If you liked the video and now that you're a part of my journey and my story and my new journey that starts, please like this video, share this video around with all the AV geeks, and until next time, always remember, and I keep saying this, I have said this on my social media handles as well, on my Instagram I put up a story as well, that in life, change is the only constant. Bye-bye.